Ready to take your adventures to the next level? From jaw-dropping 6K footage to AI-powered stabilization, we've got the top 5 GoPros of 2025 that will elevate your content like never before. Stay tuned to find out which one deserves the crown as the best GoPro yet. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description below which are updated for the best prices. Number 5. GoPro Hero. This model stands out as an excellent entry-level option for anyone looking to dive into the world of action cameras without a steep learning curve. Offering 1080p resolution at 60 frames per second, it ensures smooth and reliable video quality for everyday adventures. With a sturdy, compact build, it's waterproof up to 33 feet, making it ideal for those who love water sports or outdoor activities. The interface is simple, featuring a touchscreen that allows for quick navigation through settings and media playback. Additionally, the inclusion of voice control adds a convenient hands-free experience, allowing users to capture footage without touching the camera. However, when compared to more advanced models, this version doesn't offer features like 4K video recording or enhanced stabilization, which can be important for those seeking a more professional level experience. Still, for newcomers or those on a budget, this camera is a reliable choice, providing great value for casual use. Number 4. GoPro Hero 10 Black, stepping up in both performance and features. This model delivers a more advanced action camera experience. With 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, it provides incredibly crisp and detailed footage, perfect for anyone looking to capture stunning visuals during their adventures. Whether you're documenting a road trip, recording an epic mountain biking session, or filming a travel vlog, the quality of the footage will impress. The improved Hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization ensures buttery smooth video, even in shaky situations, ideal for high-impact activities like skiing or fast-paced outdoor sports. Compared to the previous model, this version significantly boosts both video resolution and stabilization, bringing a more professional level of quality to the table. The Hero 10 also introduces a front-facing display, making it a great choice for vloggers or anyone who needs to check their shot before hitting record. Additionally, its upgraded processor enhances responsiveness, reducing lag, and ensuring a smoother experience overall. It's also waterproof up to 33 feet, ready for all sorts of water-based activities. However, with all these added features, it might feel like overkill for those who only need a simple action camera for casual outings. The Hero 10 is more suited for serious content creators or adventure seekers who want to capture every detail in high quality. Still, for anyone looking to push the limits of their action footage, this model delivers both versatility and reliability, making it an excellent choice for capturing your adventures, from daily hikes to more extreme sports. Number 3. GoPro Max. Offering a truly unique experience, this model takes action cameras to a whole new level with its 360-degree video capture. Perfect for creators who want to capture every angle of their adventure, it allows for immersive footage that can be adjusted in post-production. Whether you're filming a group hike, a family day at the beach, or a thrilling roller coaster ride, the 360-degree capability ensures no moment is missed. In comparison to the Hero 10, it's not just about video quality. This one introduces an entirely different way of filming. While the Hero 10 offers fantastic 5.3K footage, this model opens up creative possibilities with its 2 lenses that work together to produce 360-degree videos and photos. The stabilization, called Max Hypersmooth, is top-notch, ensuring that even the most dynamic movements are captured with buttery smoothness, making it ideal for capturing everything from running through a forest to riding a motorcycle. For those used to more traditional GoPro models, the Max can feel like a bit of a learning curve since you're essentially shooting everything around you. But for those looking to add an extra dimension to their content, it's a game changer. It's also waterproof up to 16 feet, so it's perfect for water-based activities like snorkeling or swimming, in addition to dryland adventures. One minor drawback, however, is that it's bulkier than some of the other models, which might be an issue if you're looking for something compact and portable. But if you're after versatility and want to capture your world from every angle, this camera is a must-have for anyone ready to think outside the box. Whether you're shooting for a travel vlog or creating unique social media content, the GoPro Max brings a fresh, immersive perspective to any adventure. Number 2. GoPro Hero 12 Black brings everything you love about GoPro to the next level with new and improved features, making it a powerhouse for both casual adventurers and professional content creators. With the ability to shoot 5.3K video at 60 frames per second and enhanced hypersmooth 5.0 stabilization, it delivers smooth, high-quality footage even in the most intense conditions. Whether you're chasing the sunrise on a mountain hike or filming high-speed action, the Hero 12 ensures that every frame is crystal clear and stable. Compared to the Hero 10 and Hero Max, this model improves on both video quality and stabilization. It offers better low-light performance, meaning your footage remains sharp even in dim environments, like capturing nighttime adventures or documenting a sunset. One of the standout features is its extended battery life, which allows for longer recording sessions, making it ideal for full-day shoots or extended trips where you don't want to worry about running out of power. While it may seem like overkill for someone who just wants a camera for quick, casual footage, its features make it an excellent choice for more serious users looking for reliability and top-tier performance. The Hero 12 Black also introduces a few smart AI-powered features, including automatic shot framing, which simplifies post-production by allowing the camera to adjust the framing as you move. Waterproof up to 33 feet, it's also perfect for water activities like surfing or snorkeling. One thing to keep in mind is that the Hero 12 is a bit more expensive than its predecessors, which could be a factor if you're on a tight budget. But for those seeking the best in terms of quality and versatility, this model is a worthy investment. Whether you're capturing everyday moments or working on a professional-level project, the Hero 12 Black brings exceptional performance to every adventure, making it a standout choice in the GoPro lineup. Number 1. GoPro Hero 13 Black sets a new standard for action cameras, offering groundbreaking features that push the boundaries of what's possible with GoPro technology. With 6K video at 120 frames per second, it delivers ultra-sharp, hyper-detailed footage that is perfect for creators who want to capture cinematic quality content in the most extreme environments. Whether you're filming a fast-paced mountain descent, underwater adventures, or a full-day hike, the Hero 13 ensures that every shot is crystal clear and smooth. Compared to its predecessor, the Hero 12 Black, the Hero 13 introduces even more advanced capabilities, including improved low-light performance and enhanced AI-driven image stabilization. The new AI-powered editing tools automatically adjust color, exposure, and even stabilize footage in post-production, saving time while ensuring your content looks polished and professional. Additionally, the extended battery life is a game-changer, allowing for longer shoots without the need to recharge, even during the most intense adventures. For content creators, the Hero 13 introduces a slew of smart features like automatic shot composition, which adjusts the framing as you move, and advanced voice control for hands-free operation. It's also waterproof up to 40 feet, making it ideal for everything from extreme water sports to outdoor expeditions. Whether you're capturing slow-motion shots at 120 frames per second or live streaming your adventure, the Hero 13 is ready to tackle any challenge. However, with all these premium features comes a higher price tag, which could be a deterrent for casual users. But for those serious about capturing professional quality content, the Hero 13 Black offers unmatched versatility and performance. If you're looking to elevate your footage to the next level, this camera is truly in a league of its own, providing the ultimate tool for extreme sports, travel, and everything in between. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and updates on the latest tech.